Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI video. This one, I'm going to show you how to create Sora videos without the watermark. If you look here on the website, you'll see the watermark is bouncing around all over the place. Well, that's great. If you want to publish strictly to Sora, go ahead and do that. But if you want to publish to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever, you don't want that Sora watermark going everywhere. So I'm going to show you how to do this without it. It's a piece of cake. It takes one program. Let me show you how. Alright, so the program we're going to be using is called ChatLLM Teams. It's absolutely fantastic. It comes with everything you can imagine. It's got it all. But here we go. The first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you an example of a Risqué video I created. And take a look for two things. One, no watermark on this. And two, well, you can go ahead and have a little bit of fun with this as opposed to some of the stricter censorship or I guess stricter rules that are in Sora. So here, let's just go ahead and take a quick look at the video and then I'll show you how to log in and get cooking. So here we go. Let's hit play, watch this. Yeah.
Chopper above the arena. You gotta be kidding me.
Entry number 27 is descending from the sky.
Time to rumble.
Stephen Hawking has entered the Royal Rumble.
And he just launched Big Renzo over the top.
All right, guys, so there we go. We got Stephen Hawking going into the Royal Rumble. He was notorious for a great sense of humor. So we're having a lot of fun here. So this is an example. Again, no watermarks. Totally risque. If you want to have some fun with this and put some crazy stuff in there, go ahead and do it. All right, quick pit stop. Since we're deep in AI today, here's how to actually learn the fundamentals the way I wish I did. Brilliant is my go-to for understanding how AI really works. Not just buzzwords, it's a learning app packed with visual, interactive lessons across math, data, programming, and AI. Instead of lectures, you play with concepts which research shows could be up to 6 times more effective than just watching videos. Inside the How AI Works course, you'll get hands-on with the building blocks behind modern systems, explore search and optimization, experiment with simple neural nets, and even see how model decisions change when you tweak inputs. It's like lifting the hood on AI, one slider, graph, and puzzle at a time. And because it's bite-sized, it's perfect for a daily habit. 10 to 15 minutes and bam, you're leveling up. The lessons are crafted by folks from places like Stanford, MIT, and industry, so you know it's solid. Now to learn for free on Brilliant, go to brilliant.org/KingyAI, scan the QR code on screen, or click the link in the description. They all work. Brilliant's also given our viewers 20% off on an annual premium subscription, which gives you unlimited daily access to everything on Brilliant. It is fantastic. You gotta check it out. All right, so to get started, head over to their website. I, of course, put a link in the description below, and then just click on ChatLLM up here at the top. When you do that here, the app will open up. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, it will ask you to do the sign up. It takes like 2 minutes, and I believe it's $10 or $20 US a month, and you get access to an amazing amount of content. Absolutely crazy. I'm going to stick to Sora 2 on this one, but just heads up, you get access to all the large language models, video, coding, images. It's all included. It's bonkers. But here we go. We're logged in. I'm going to close the sidebar here, and then presto, let's get cooking. So for Sora 2, all you need to do is go down here to this bottom toolbar, click on More, and then click on Video Gen. When you do that, you get some options. I'm going to click on this little model drop-down. And watch this. We got Sora 2, WAN 2.5, Seedance, Hailuo, Kling, 2.5, Luma, Runway, VO3. You can access all of it. So all the best video generation models are here. But for this one, we're doing Sora 2, so let's keep that selected. Now we get an option to do a start frame. So if you want to chain together a bunch of scenes and you want them starting on specific images or specific frames, you can do that. For this demonstration, we're not going to do that, but just want you to know that's available. And now, prompt. This is where the magic happens. What are you looking for? Let's go French bulldog in a rocket ship by the moon with a purple hat on. I mean, you can do whatever the hell you want. Type in anything you want. You can see here with the Stephen Hawking wrestling thing I showed you at the beginning, they're pretty lenient. So if you want to make some risque stuff, give it a crack. It's kind of fun. And then presto, here we go. Down further, you see modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. I've got it selected off, But if you turn it on, you're basically saying, hey, AI, just go ahead and add in some cool stuff here. Make my prompt kind of fancy. And you give it some latitude to make some adjustments and put in some of its own ideas. This is purely optional. I'm going to leave it on just for giggles. Here we go. And then presto down a little further. We've got some options. We've got the standard mode, pardon me. And we've got Pro mode. If you want the fancy stuff, let's go with Pro. Why not? All right, let's go big. Here we go. Now, duration, I love this because here you can see we can go up to 12 seconds long. So instead of the short 4-second videos, you see a lot of that these days, go for the longer one here. We're going to do a 12-second video. And then finally, this is very important, resolution. There are 2 basic styles. There's the YouTube short TikTok style, and then there's the standard YouTube style. 1280 by 720 is standard YouTube. It's the wider screen. 720 by 1080 is the TikTok and the YouTube short style. So let's go with the wider screen because I tend to like those a little better. And then literally all you do is click on generate. You'll see here it says it is generating the video. It'll take a few seconds to cook this up. I think about 60 seconds or so. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got, and then I'll show you a couple other quick tricks while I got you. All right, welcome back. So let's see what a French bulldog and a rocket ship by the moon with the purple hat looks like. And I can already tell you this is fantastic. I'm going to hit the expand button here. Let's hit play. Let's make the volume not too loud so it doesn't blow your ears out here. Check out that purple hat. Check this out. Let's hit play. And also keep a lookout. Tell me if you see any watermarks. You're not going to see any. This is why it's so good. Here we go. Yeah, we got our Frenchie in his rocket ship or her rocket ship. 1 ear popping out. Awesome. There we go. Oh, yeah, look at the camera, sweetheart. There we go. All right, good stuff, guys. So there you go. There's a quick example. Now, I used a very basic prompt, but I use a fancy one at the beginning with the Stephen Hawking wrestling. Put in whatever you want, but there's no watermarks. Beautiful thing. Also, if you want to download it, just go ahead and click this little download button here. And there we go. Our download is done. And if I want to open it, I can just grab it wherever I put it. I don't know. It's here somewhere. There it is. And now watch this. If I go to my Explorer, I'm in TikTok, and I can just drag and drop in that video, and it will go to TikTok. I did a widescreen version. I would have done a longer one and if I was to do this correctly. But there you go, guys. You could just drag and drop them in. No watermarks. It goes through. It passes all the content and the copyright checking. It's fantastic. No issues found. It is the way to do it, guys. That's how you do it. Links in the description below. No issues found, guys. It's fantastic. Hit the post button. That's it, guys. Watermarks gone. Sora 2 videos like a champ. There you go.